If you are interested in finding any of the products we sell or any other videos we post, visit popspooltools.com. In this video, we will be showing you a more permanent way to repair a crack located in the bottom of the skimmer. These cracks are usually caused by settling of the concrete. This causes it to put pressure on the bottom of the skimmer, resulting in a crack. No matter what the cause of the crack, you will get good results with this method as long as it is in the very bottom. You will have to lower your water level a couple inches below the skimmer inlet and dry the skimmer out. We also recommend cleaning the area with a strong degreaser and an abrasive pad. This will give the epoxy the best bond possible. An easy way to remove soap residue from the skimmer would be to flush with fresh water and use a shop vac, then dry with a rag or towel. The first step to this repair is getting a close nipple, found at most stores that carry plumbing supplies. You will need to first apply thread tape and then silicone before installing it into any port that has plumbing connected. Some skimmers will use both ports. In this case, you will need to install a nipple in both. After applying thread tape and silicone to the nipple, you can thread the nipple into the port or ports necessary. Tighten as much as possible. Our skimmer will not be using the front port, so we put a threaded plug in. This will cause us to need less epoxy to complete the repair. Using a rubber plug to seal off the nipple works well to prevent any epoxy from being spilled in the plumbing line. We recommend sealing the crack with silicone or hot glue to prevent the epoxy from leaking through. The type of epoxy we are using is a 2-part tabletop epoxy. Any brand of countertop epoxy will do. Also, if you wanted to, you could add powdered dye to make it match. There are many ads on Amazon for this type of epoxy and the dyes. Be sure to follow the directions on the bottle, especially for mixing and temperatures. After you are confident it is warm enough and the epoxy is mixed thoroughly, begin slowly pouring. Make sure not to fill it too much that it goes past the top of the nipple. This is how it should look once full. This is not the only way you could do this type of repair. We have repaired many skimmers this way and found it to work very well. Make sure to allow the epoxy to fully cure before refilling the pool. Read the directions to find the recommended curing time. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in finding any of the products we sell or any other videos we post, visit popspooltools.com.